we are going to talk about the next important process, which is about controlling quality. This is the process where we basically talk about how we can ensure that what we are doing aligns with the process. It involves monitoring and recording the results. We have started executing the plan and are beginning to get some outcomes. It is important for us to record the results of these outcomes and monitor whether they align with the quality management activities. If there is any gap, we need to act upon it. In a way, this helps us assess performance to ensure that the project outcomes are complete, correct, and meet customer expectations. Not only that, but it also verifies that the project deliverables and work meet the requirements specified by key stakeholders for final acceptance. There must be continuous verification and validation as part of quality control. So let's get started with control quality aspects. Of course, we'll begin with inputs. We can't miss the project plan itself, which includes the quality management plan for reference. This plan already outlines how we are going to perform quality control activities. We can refer to these project documents, some of which I have already mentioned. These documents need to be updated along with approved change requests. We also need to check whether the approved change request has been incorporated or not. If it has been incorporated, we must identify any gaps. If there are any approved change requests, deliverables must be verified. These deliverables have already been tested and verified to ensure they meet customer requirements. This process also includes work performance information. Work performance information consists of data generated as we execute the plans. It allows us to assess how we are performing against the plan, schedule, quality, and budget. Enterprise environmental factors and organizational process assets are also essential as they provide guidelines and references at the organizational level. Now, let's discuss certain tools and techniques that help in performing these tasks. One key technique is data gathering. We have already discussed some examples of how data is gathered. Testing, product evaluations, and verification of deliverables against customer specifications are also crucial. Verification and validation must be ongoing processes. We also need to ensure that any approved changes have been tested as per expectations. This is a continuous activity within quality control. Another important aspect is data analysis. Once we gather data using these techniques, we must analyze it and take necessary corrective and preventive actions. For example, we need to check whether the outcomes fall within control limits, upper specification limits, and lower specification limits. The data generated from quality commitments must be analyzed. Regular inspections and adaptations are also necessary. Various opportunities exist to conduct inspections, and these should align with the commitments outlined in the plan. Additionally, data representation is important, and we have covered various methods to achieve this. Meetings also play a role as tools and techniques in quality control. Now, let's move on to the outcomes. By the end of this process, we expect quality control measurements to be in place. We must ensure that we have verified deliverables, meaning they have been checked against the given requirements. Work performance information helps us understand how well we are performing against the plan. If needed, change requests and project management plans will be updated accordingly. This summarizes the control quality process. We started with the quality management plan, looked at how to manage quality overall, and then focused on quality control. Today's our focus was on quality and how to maintain it throughout the project by implementing these three processes as part of quality management. By implementing these processes as a project manager or team, we can assure our customers that the product, service, or result we are delivering is fit for use and meets their expectations. This assurance builds confidence in our customers by demonstrating that we have implemented quality management processes effectively, ultimately benefiting the entire team.